Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my June plan with me. Okay, so on the screen now you will see my kid pranking me, flying a little aeroplane saying you've got pranked. He thought he was very funny, but yeah, then as well, okay, the theme for this month is gonna be meditation. This is a theme I've had in my list of themes that I want to do for ages now. I think I've had it since beginning of last year. Yeah, so it's more than a year that I've wanted to do a spread like this. At last I got around to it. It feels fitting. I'm in the mood for something like this. It's a lot of drawing, but it's relaxing and I really enjoyed it. It's beautiful patterns. It makes me excited. I love the spread and I loved creating it. It was really fun to do. Okay, so at the moment you will see me drawing my cover page for June. I've got the little girl meditating. She's got pretty clothes full of a lot of decorations, and it's going to be a very colorful spread. The colors I picked for this theme I absolutely love. It's not very bright colors, it's more almost moody, darker colors, but yeah, I think it turned out lovely. And yeah, just there in the top corner you could have seen it's for June. I'm Afrikaans, we say Junie in South Africa. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Come with me on my journey creating this spread. I hope that you will love it as much as I do, and yeah, enjoy and relax while you watch me create my June plan with me for my bullet journal. Okay, so over here you will see me creating my spreads for my sleep tracker and my mood tracker. I love how this pattern came out. You will also see that I will not be coloring this page. I love the black and white look it gave. The rest of my spread is pretty colorful, and obviously the mood tracker is going to be colored in, as you'll see a little bit later on when I'm done with this mandala, is that the moods of the day's moods are going to have the specific colors, and I've numbered the blocks I'm going to be coloring in for the specific days. 30 days of layers, it is way too much, so I've created about, I would say, roughly 17 layers or so. So what I'll be doing is some of the layers that's just one layer, for example, I'll be alternating the colors in the leaves. You'll see, if you look closely, you'll see I've written, for example, 15 and 16. So I'll be doing every second one I'll do on the 15th, and then the 16th I'll just fill in the ones in between. But yeah, after I've done and I've created a spread, I absolutely loved how it looked, just the black and white. So I haven't created one like that yet, but I am planning on later in my spread, as I do my dailies, or maybe I've got a doodle page as well, as you'll see later on. I'm really still deciding, but I think of leaving it like this, without any color, because I really I really like it that way. But I also love the color, so I'll decide where and when I'll do the just black and white one. But yeah, I am planning on putting one of those in between the daily somewhere, or maybe on my doodle page. Okay, yeah, then the next couple of pages is my June goals, my habit tracker, and then teach the kids something. This is a spread I put in last month, and I haven't used it that much, but I'm gonna use it for a couple of months, see how it goes. If it's something I do not use a lot, I'm just gonna take it out later on, or maybe it's something I can use every month to to plan fun activities with them, or teach them a new skill or something. So we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so I've also got this how things have changed spread, and this is just a little bit of info I'm going to write down over how things are at the moment with the lockdown and the COVID-19 and everything. So it's just kind of something to look back on when this hopefully is over one day, and see how we did things at this moment, or how our life was. And then also I want to add, I wanted to add it in the beginning, but I kind of forgot about it. I remembered now, is I did something bold. I decided to basically take apart my bullet journal, and I've put it into a planner type cover. I'm not sure what you call it in English, but you'll see at the ending. I've just decided I wanted a little bit more freedom in my journal. So if I want to switch things up or change it around, then I can. And so I've done that with my journal. I'm going to test it out this year, and at the end of the year I'm going to try and make it into one big journal, because I also use two journals for my roughly use two journals. I actually use two journals for my whole year, and it kind of bothers me. I want it in one journal, so I'm going to try this. If at the end of the year I'm not happy with this, then I'll go back to doing my two journals. Maybe at the end of that year taking the, I don't know, I'll still decide. But yeah, let me not go into that. I just wanted to say that this is just to have a little bit more freedom with my journal and experiment a little bit. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, and then I also want to add, I took a lot of inspiration from Pinterest for the meditation spread, for this self-care page that you can see right now. I got from Pinterest, and then also the next page you'll see is basically how to start meditating. I've also got that from Pinterest. I'm gonna try it. I've always wanted to. I've never gotten around to it. So yeah, I've got the basics written down over here. So yeah, I'm gonna try it, see how it works. I'm looking forward to trying it. But yeah, like I said, this was taken from Pinterest. So yeah. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is my doodle page. This is very basic because the actual prettiness of the page will go in around this. And then what I've also created this month that I don't normally do is I've created a master to-do list. I've found with being at home the whole time, not always knowing which day is and all of that, I found it frustrating to do weekly spreads and to migrate my master to-do list over every time and stuff like that. So I've decided on my master to-do list that I'll have in front of the weekly spreads or whatever. I'm also doing rolling dailies and stuff like that. I'm not really doing a very structured weekly spread, but I'm enjoying the freedom more, I must say. In the past I did a lot of structured spreads, but I've changed that up the last couple of months with the lockdown and being at home and everything, and I must say I enjoy that a lot more. So I'm still experimenting with the weekly spreads. I haven't found something that I really like as well too much, so yeah, that's a little bit of a difficult one for me. I'm still trying to decide exactly how I like the rolling dailies. I like, or let me put it this way, I like them. I just need a way for me to make them more pretty or exciting, because they're a little bit boring to me at the moment. But we'll get there. We'll experiment throughout the month and see how it goes, and how we can change it up and do something exciting with them. But yeah, this is my last one, the dailies, the weekly spread. And next up will be my flip through. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you want to see. Thanks so much.